Welcome to Video Evolution. Evolution in the world of videos. Today, we are going to start with a summary of the fifth chapter of Three Men in a Boat. All the three friends were all in deep sleep. Then, Mrs. Puppet awakened Harris. But George was still sleeping, and both narrator and Harris were not happy to see this. So they awakened George. They all had their bath. Now they needed some things like toothbrush and comb from the bag, but they needed to reopen their bag and to again pack. It was very difficult. But there was no way out. They all sat down for breakfast. Montmorency invited two dogs, but they had a fight on food and were easily controlled with the help of an umbrella. Weather forecast was not lucky for them because the weather they used to predict was always opposite to it. When they thought it would rain, they remained at home, but the weather remained fine and pleasant, and when they went out on pleasant day, it rained and they became sick. They used to have their barometer which used to tell the weather, but it was just useless and unreliable. It used to indicate dry weather in spite it was raining out and vice versa. The narrator gives a brief description about the prophets of weather. They were so annoyed that if the prophet said it would rain and it actually rained, then they used to curse him, otherwise not. These three friends now were leaving for the trip and they had lot of luggage and they were waiting for a cab while a group of street boys came and they led their luggage to the platform, and at the station these friends bribed the driver to drive the train to Kingston by 11:30. Then finally they reached there and their boat was waiting at Kingston and they would stay a fortnight there in the boat. While they were waiting at the station, the narrator also posted some comical scenes. Like some people thought that Harris was a bridegroom, and some people thought that they were talking to a dead person, and narrator was his mother. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.